Hello guys, welcome back to day 31, which is the last day of my Kaftan design tutorial. And we're also going to be designing something simple. But don't forget that if you need any of my project file, don't forget to click in the link in the description box to access all my mockup that I've been designing on my YouTube channel. You can get everything there apart from just the African design. You can also get the streetwear mockup design, which are animated 360 working animation, anger movement. You get it all there. So before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator. So let's begin. So I'm going to carry or should I say carry? I'm going to move all this pattern. So I'm going to select S, do this. So okay. Oh no. Let me see this. Let's wait for it to load. So I'm going to have something like this behind them. I'm going to flip normal. I think I'm going to scale this out more. Yep. I'm going to scale this out. I'm going to come here. Yes. Let me see if I can still scale it more. Ctrl Z. Double click on this dot and scale it more again. Is that too much? Where is too much? I'm going to adjust it. So I'm going to select Shift F. I'm going to I want to turn this. So let's move this to the back a bit. Yeah. I need something. Select this and select a point. Yep. Oh, I should not do that. I won't do that. Let me do Shift F. I don't want this clothes to wrinkle. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to the next thing I'm going to do, sorry, is to freeze the all of them. Freeze. I'm going to freeze these. So I'm just going to sorry, not freeze. Right click and freeze this. So I'm going to bring this closer to the outfit and bring it down a bit. You can see, okay. Yeah, so the next thing I'll do is to, because I want to do it around the neck. So let me select free sewing. Let me see this. If I select, let me see if I select it like this. Okay, I'm going to start from here to here. I'm going to hold on shift anyways. Sorry, hold on. Because we're also from so I'm going to hold on shift. I'm going to select this to this, then this round this, and this is coming to this. So note there's a I'm coming trying to scale, yes. So you know there is a space here. I just only started from here, so it's round and ended here, so there's a gap here. So please just pay attention to that. So I'm going to click on space bar. It's not Superman anyways, but let's move on. Yep. So something like this. This is what I wanted to do, yeah. Something like this, yeah. Mm. I could have actually used the other one too, the eclipse, but this is what I want to do because I don't want to do a full cover. So let me see something. I'm going to let's see, maybe if I reduce the size a bit. Okay. Let me see. Just simulated, yes. So okay. Mm-hmm. Let me check shrinkage weft. It's actually simulated. Okay. 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 You select Control Z, undo. I'm just experimenting, so I'm not sure what I want. So we have, I think I'll go with this. I'll go with this. I still want to add the button here. I'll go with this. I'm still going to, let me see, what's the particle distance of this? It's still 20. Okay, let's still add 20 first. So I'm going to go with this, and let me add the button here ASAP. So hold on this, and come here. So my simulation. So we'll just select this. So you can see this here. We'll just select this one and select this one. Control C, Control V. Okay. Right click and create two and select OK. Click on this. Click on the drop down. And I'm going to click on this. This is change the width to 15. Okay, I'm going to change the type to metal. So we have this. So what I want to do next is to add a top stitch on this around. So I'm going to select Z, I'm going to select this. I'm going to add offset as internal line. I'm going to set this one as 30. I'm going to keep adding. Keep adding and select OK. So we have something like this coming. So let me see something here. Okay, strengthen. See how it looks like with strengthen. I don't like it with strength. Let me unstrengthen it. Let me simulate back. I think I prefer the fold. So okay. So let me add a top stitch here. I'm going to select this. I'm going to yeah. So one of these. So I'm just going to go to my minimize. I'm going to go to my download. Right side the star. I want to use the star. Yeah, this one. I'm going to drag it here. I'm going to minimize this back. So we have something like this. You can see this. So I can just click on this and make little adjustments before I apply to all internal line. So where is the space? Space can be let me see, space is 10. Yeah, 10 is not bad, and the thickness I want it to be like okay. I'll go with this. So I'm going to apply it to others. So keep seeing it around. So you can see I have something like this. Let's go back to this. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate a fabric for us. So I'm coming. So suggest um 5 let's see what's going to bring out. Zigzag chevron stripes and overlapping circle. Some kind of go. I just want number 5. Let me see the overlapping circle. No, I say only number 5. So let's wait for it to generate. So this is what ChatGPT generated, and I need to download this to know if this is seamless. So I've downloaded it. I'll just duplicate this fabric. Come on. Okay. Or I should just use Adire fabric instead. I think I might even actually Adire Ashoke fabric. I would have used Ashoke fabric. Let me see how it looks like here. I will change Ashoke fabric. I want something thick. Something thick would be better. Something like this. So I'm going to not this, sorry. I'm going to select this. I'm going to select a copy. I'm going to go to base color. Change this. I'm going to add this. Is it not downloaded? Yep. Missile looks like. Why is it that since when more God I beg? I will just have to take my time to check out this ChatGPT 5 because I've not that's not been generating something seamless for me. For me. I don't think so. Nah. Cancel. Okay. I'll request for sure. Okay. Fabric. Okay. The Royal Ashoki stripes. Yes. Let me see what it's going to generate. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT generated, and I think this is going to be seamless, maybe because it's just stripes. Let me see normal map. So I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to select. I'm going to delete this. Okay. Let me add a new fabric. I'm going to go to the base color, open texture editor, add a new okay fabric. So yes, you can see this looks seamless. So let's use this here and see this. I think it's going to be seamless. Apply and close. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to go to the normal map. Okay, I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to download this. So I'm going to go back to Clo to select this. Okay, sorry, we've done that. Add. One three six five 1365 and 1365. Yep. Apply and close. Yeah, good. I think I'll make these top stitch gold like. So I'll just go to the color, sorry, the color, and I'm going to, yeah, yes, apply and close. I think I should unfreeze all these. Select A, select all this pattern and right click and unfreeze. So let's tell ChatGPT to suggest a fabric color. Suggest a main fabric color. So I'm going to use this deep royal blue, copy. I'm going to go to Clo, going to select this, still loading. Then I'm going to select this and this and this, and we have this. So you can see we have this. So I'm going to select the button to select this. I'm going to click on this and sorry, this. Paste, Ctrl V and apply and close. Click on the thread. Oh yeah, the thread is here. See me coming. So on this and this and this. Sorry, ew, stop that. I need to copy it instead of pasting it. So and paste this. Why is it like that? Ctrl V, yes. Apply and close. So we have something like this. So I can just decide to change the pocket and the side pockets. I think I'll make the fabric velvet. Let me just end it there. 1, 2, 3, and we have this here. Or something like this. Let me see the fabric as velvet. Velvet satin. I'm going to go to velvet. And we have something like this. I don't know, maybe it looks weird, but I'll go with this. So these are designed for the 31st or day 31, sorry. So thank you for following up from day 1 to day 31. I really appreciate that. So we are going to go back to our normal animation type and some Clo3d tips by September or next month. So thank you once again.